FEMB Level is a European multi-attribute sustainability certification and standard for office furniture. It's based on 4 environmental and social impact areas, which are the materials the products are made of, energy and atmosphere, human and ecosystem health, as well as social responsibility. Manufacturers must meet a number of prerequisites in each of these areas. Those are requirements that have to be met. And then they can choose from a multitude of requirements based on the type of products they make, their manufacturing, or their business model. Each requirement can earn them points. The goal is to reach as many points as possible, because in the end, the number of points will determine if certification is achieved and which level of certification is achieved. Currently, there's levels 1, 2, and 3, with 3 being the highest. In short, all office furniture manufacturers that want to sell in Europe can benefit from FEMB Level certification. FEMB Level covers European green public procurement requirements and addresses many of the concepts of the EU Green Deal. So office furniture manufacturers that want to submit to public tenders in the EU and want to gain a competitive advantage can do so through FEMB Level certification. And FEMB Level, being a pan-European standard and certification, is applicable in every European member state. Well, FEMB Level was modeled after BIFMA E3 level certification. Both are quite similar. They're both based on a point system. They both cover major environmental and social impact areas. And they both are comprehensive sustainability standards for office furniture. About 60% of the requirements overlap, but there are also major differences. BIFMA E3 level is a North American standard based on North American requirements, and FEMB level is a European standard based on European standards, requirements, and directives. FEMB level is also an ISO 17065 accredited certification, which means it can only reference ISO standards or European regulations and directives. Well, the first step would be to contact SES Global Services, and we can help you assess your certification needs and determine scope, timeline, and cost of a potential FEMB level certification. We also recommend to download the free FEMB level standard, which is available at levelcertified.eu. There, a manufacturer can review if they can meet the prerequisites and which of the other requirements they can meet and which requirements fit their product needs and their manufacturing. Based on that, they can determine which level they would like to achieve. Again, SES Global Services, as one of the premier certification bodies for FEMB level in Europe, can help with all that. Well, unfortunately, at this time, FEMB level is not referenced by LEED or any of the other green building rating systems. However, FEMB level requirements directly correspond to a lot of the credit requirements in LEED version 4.1, in WELL, in DGNB or BREEAM or other building rating systems. So a manufacturer that is level certified can also use their certification or the documentation for some of the requirements within the certification to meet LEED or WELL or other requirements. Yes, it is absolutely possible to combine FEMB level with other certification services. Quite common is the combination of FEMB level and BIFMA level certification, because there's quite a lot of overlap. But of course, FEMB level can also be combined with other certifications that directly correspond to requirements in FEMB level. For example, VOC certifications such as SES Indoor Advantage Gold, or environmental product declarations, or carbon footprinting or carbon neutral certifications.